May pips be upon you. We're going to talk about NAS100. All right, the NASDAQ. Okay, what do I see? This is the 4 hour. What do we have here with a big view is we got this uptrend. It's a pretty steady uptrend. All right, little choppy here and there, but it's an uptrend. Okay, and we haven't had anything a significant break of structure to warrant looking for shorts just yet. All right, short-term shorts, yeah, maybe, but not long-term swings. All right, I think we have the setup for a longer term swing. All right, you see how price has broken these lows, come down here, and revisited, retested these lows here, and continued down. You know, that's the way I like to do it. All right, if you look at the stochastics, we're in the oversold zone already. All right, so what do we need? What do we need? What we need is price to do exactly what it's doing, give us some bullish price action and a bullish engulfer. The entry has already happened, and it's still in the good place for a good entry. I'm telling you that right now. All right, we can get rid of this. Okay, so what is this blue line with the little dollar sign? This is actually a mitigation line, right? The price. If we go to the daily, you can see price has created an order block here. This is a supply, demand zone, okay, and this is the opening line of it, the opening of this institutional candle. You see how price jetted up from there. So when price does come back, we are awaiting a similar reaction to it, and they did give us a similar reaction to it. All right, giving us this good price action. However, it did come back down, right? But we have that rejection from here. So what am I looking for? What would be a good entry here? What I would say, if I can find it, what I would say is see this level here? See how price respected it here? Close there, close there, right? What I'm looking for is a break and a close above this level. This a break and a close above this level is a safer, I repeat, a safer entry. But I think you'll be fine with this entry here, uh, taking this into account, and the fact that price has visited and mitigated this order block twice already. So I think this is a more aggressive entry. This is a safer entry, and I think the targets would be these highs for sure. Okay. Now, yeah, it's already we are already over sold there. So this was the optimal entry. This was the time to do it, and hopefully you can benefit from this. Give me a like and subscribe if you want more free education, free analysis, free, free training. Right? This is what I'm doing. This is what I'm trying to help you with. All right, do your part. Give me a like and a subscribe, and then I'll do my part. Supply it. All right, it'll encourage me to keep putting them out. I will see you in the next video. Hey, trade safely.